If you do intermittent fasting, chances are you've already asked yourself, how do I break my fast? What is the best thing to eat to break my fast? And how do I do it successfully? So I wanted to make this video today to share with you what's the best method to break your fast and what you should be eating in order to have the most successful breaking of your fast. So let's get started. So breaking your fast the wrong way isn't the end of the world. Let me first start out by stressing that if you choose to have a breaking of your fast with a big greasy hamburger and a strawberry shake and some fries, it's not gonna feel very good, but it's not the end of the world. There are some ways that we can really make a breaking of your fast way more successful and not such a shock to your system. And that's because breaking a fast with certain types of foods that are undesirable can cause a shock to your digestive system, your stomach, your intestines, and your general mood and energy levels as well. So let me share with you some guidelines that will help you go from a fasted state to a fed state in the most comfortable way possible and also to get the most out of your fast. So in general, having apple cider vinegar or ACV diluted in water before breaking your fast is a really good idea. Typically just 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a glass of water is a great call, and you're going to want to have that before you start breaking your fast. And the reason for that, it's going to do a few things. It's going to start to stimulate your digestive tract so that it's going to be prepared for food, and it's also going to help promote fat burning and feelings of satiety or feeling full after your meal. So you won't be eating as much, you won't feel hunger as much as if you didn't have that drink. Plus, if you've watched my video on ACV and intermittent fasting, you know that ACV before breaking your fast can really help to stabilize blood sugar levels, which is really helpful because that will help to increase your insulin sensitivity, stabilize your energy, and stabilize your mood. Plus, that feeling of being full is gonna help you to eat less, so you're able to lower your total caloric intake, which if you're looking to lose weight is a great thing. And you can check out my video on my 3 favorite anti-inflammatory drinks. One of those is an ACV elixir, which is something I like to have before breaking my fast. So after you have your ACV and water mixture, another good option for continuing to break your fast is to have some bone broth. Bone broth is an excellent option as you're breaking your fast because it has a lot of minerals and nutrients. It has electrolytes that can help restore ones that you've lost from your fast. And it has a ton of minerals and nutrients like magnesium and calcium, potassium and sodium. So that's really going to help with the mineral depletion that you can experience from a fast. And of course, bone broth contains collagen, which is going to be beneficial for improving your bones and teeth and hair and nails. And it contains anti-inflammatory properties, so a really good option. Then for your first full meal after breaking your fast, there are some foods that are better to have than others. So I would recommend having any of the following. Eggs are going to be a good source of protein, they're easy to digest, and they're going to make you feel fuller for longer. If you watch my video on what I eat in a day, you already know how I incorporate eggs and egg whites into a sandwich when I break my fast. Dark leafy greens like spinach or kale are really good to have as well. They're packed with fiber, minerals, and nutrients that have been depleted during your fast. Nuts and chia seeds are great because they are fiber rich, they have a ton of nutrients and healthy fats, and they are very filling as well. Cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli are really great to have. They're high in fiber, high in nutrients, and they're easy to digest. Fermented foods like unsweetened yogurt, sauerkraut, or maybe even kimchi if it's not too spicy for an empty stomach, those are going to be really good to have for your digestion. They're easy to digest, assuming you're not lactose intolerant for the dairy, and they are very filling as well, and good high healthy fats. And they're really great for your gut bacteria because of the probiotics. And if you watch my video on the 7 foods I eat every day, you already know that avocado is in there. Avocados are a great food to have in your first meal after breaking a fast. They're high in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. They are delicious, they're rich in fiber and so many nutrients, and they're so tasty, and they just increase your overall satisfaction of your food. I love avocados, they're my pals. So the goal with these specific foods for when you break your fast and you're having that first meal is you want to be easy on the digestive system, so you want it to be high in fiber, easy to digest, and you also want them to be very nutrient dense with minerals and electrolytes and all that good stuff so that you can replenish what your body has lost from your fast. Check out my video on the shocking foods that do break a fast so that you don't accidentally break your fast when you're not wanting to. And I'll see you in the next video.